Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for May 18, 2020. If you are if you were able to watching the video that I made for you over the weekend for the weekly market forecast, as you can see that if you look at on the left side, that's the SPY chart, and this is the pattern that we have been talking about, the head and shoulder pattern when they break a neckline, and then a lot of people they jump in, they try to short the market because they believe that the market will continue to go lower. But the market right now is only waiting for one good news, and today the good news coming in. They say that the Fed they will do whatever it takes to print the money to support the market. And another good news on top is we find a vaccine for the coronavirus. So that only two good news there that enough to put the market up. And if you look at the previous video that I have for you, I draw the line here to 87 and also at 28, 78, 60. If the market be able to break that level, the market will break up and go higher. And that's exactly what they did and overnight, and then they just shoot it straight up with the huge candle. So today the Dow again over 1,000 point, and the SP 500 at almost 100 point right there. So it's very strong move to the upside. So right now, first of all, you forget about the head and shoulder pattern that people have been talking about. We don't care about it head and shoulder pattern anymore because the market it seems like they try to go higher. So as long as the trend is still up, we will stick with the upside. So the question is how far they will go. Okay, nobody know. But right now, at this moment, the momentum is still in the upside. So we will continue to stick with the upside, and then let's see where they go. So today they run up with a huge number. So definitely they have to usually they break out. So right now they test the pivot high right now on the E-mini SP 500, as you can see at the hit to this level, and then definitely they try to somebody will take some profit for the home run they hit it today. And definitely you see the market, they probably they will pull back a little bit to get some more gas, and then we will continue to the upside. As long as the momentum is in the upside, we'll take the upside. So now they break out the down trend line here. So probably they pull back a little bit and then gain momentum and go up and test the during that day moving average. So that's the next destination that we try to see that the SPY we try to get it 300 302 level, and the E-mini SP 500 we try to get back to 3,000 mark. So we wait and see how far they can go. Okay, so if you look at the every day in our live trading room, and if you look at the video yesterday, we already raw the the target price for the day, and today they hit the target price again. Okay, so as you can see that the YM, if you watch the video, I even though the Dow be below here, but I already give you the direction where they were heading to today. They hit there, and even the NQ they hit to the box also. RTY they are fall behind, but look at here, I draw the box ahead at the time, and today they hit right into the box. Okay, so the goal is try to get up, but they hit to the stuck with the sell zone. They could not break out the sell zone, so they move back. So right now they found support at the level, and the oil continued to push it in the upside, and they gained some momentum since yesterday, and then they try to finish the final move to test the blue box here. Okay, and the euro you can see then, and then they stuck in this parallel channel. So today after the breakout here, and then they run up to the box two. And the bond yesterday, I told you the bond is losing momentum. So the bond had been go sideways, up and down here, and this is what exactly what they do. So today the bond is completely collapsed to the downside. Okay, so that's where the market heading to. So if you are a day trader, I can show you on the day trader. Okay, on the 60-minute chart, we already predefine the sell zone. So our member will be able to see where the market is heading to ahead of the time so that they can stay in their trade and get maximum profit if they are day trader. And And today, after I get out from when the market open, the market it goes sideways. So I ask our member to stay calm, okay, to see the market will be go sideways a little bit. And after the breakout, so after I close my light trading room, I be able to jump in and only give me this much opportunity before the lunch time. So I jump in and take a quick trade and make 1,655 dollars for today, and then I turn around and try to do a lot of swing trade on the stock, because that's where my bread and butter. I can make a lot more money on that stock buying for the future. That's where I'm going to build my wealth. That's for a swing trade technique. So this is the two technique that we are teaching our member. One is called day trade, the short-term day trade income. You jump in, you make a quick money to add on top of whatever income you have, and the swing trade, which you going to stay in the trade longer. Like you buy stock. Yesterday I give you a couple of stock. Okay, today it's like one technology stock here, semiconductor here. They're going to head up. Okay, yesterday I give you a couple of stock. You know, yesterday let me see it, ELY. So you can see that this one is try to push it back up on the upside. ICE. Okay, all the target they try to get to uh, the north right now. So let me see. Okay, so today it's a lot of stock it moving upside. Even a lot of sector like airline, cruise ship, they try to rebound from the bottom, but doesn't mean that they trended up yet. But technically, you can see that they all rebound from the buy zone. So that helped the market to move up. All the airline, you can see they start bouncing from the bottom. Boeing, okay, they all try to stabilize here and try to find a way to get up. Let's see how far they can go. All right, so that's what we have for you today on the daily market update and recap. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like what I'm doing here, please give me a thumb up and sign up for our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will let you know so that you can take a look and learn something so that you can trade and make some extra income for your short-term day trade. As well as if you know how to swing trade, you can even make more money. So if you want to learn more about our strategy, our method of trading, how to use a modern technical analysis to analyze the chart, to read in the chart, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.